When it comes to managing both personal and business travel, things can get chaotic quickly. But with Navan, it doesn't have to be. This software helps you seamlessly balance the demands of business and personal trips, all while keeping you on schedule and within budget. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see how Navan can save you time, reduce stress, and maximize efficiency for both your personal and business travel needs. Navan is a powerful travel management tool that's designed for professionals who need to juggle both business commitments and personal trips. It integrates all your travel needs, whether you're booking flights, hotels, or managing itineraries, into one easy-to-use platform. By using Navan, you can keep your business travel plans separate from your personal travel, allowing you to stay organized while ensuring everything is booked and confirmed without hassle. What's impressive about Navan is that it offers a unified dashboard where you can view both personal and business trips at the same time. This centralizes all your travel data, which means no more scrambling through different apps or tabs to find the right information. Instead, you can simply log into Navan and instantly access everything, from your flight bookings to accommodation details. Another great feature of Navan is the Smart Trip Planner, which helps you optimize travel routes. For example, you can ensure that your business meetings are scheduled around your personal vacation time, or vice versa, to minimize downtime between the two. This ability to synchronize your business and personal schedules within one platform helps ensure that your travel days are as efficient as possible. Navan also makes it easy to book multi-leg trips, which is a common necessity when blending personal and business travel. Whether you're traveling for a conference and then taking a short personal vacation afterward, Navan allows you to book these trips in one go. This saves time and reduces the confusion of juggling two separate travel arrangements. One of the key benefits of using Navan is its flexibility. You can make real-time changes to your itinerary without having to deal with multiple service providers or apps. This is particularly helpful when your plans change, whether it's a delayed flight or an unexpected personal engagement that requires you to adjust your trip. Additionally, Navan integrates with expense management software, so you can keep track of both your business and personal travel expenses in one place. This means no more separate spreadsheets or apps to keep track of receipts and expenses. Everything is conveniently located in your Navan account, allowing you to easily categorize and review your travel costs. What's even better is that you can try Navan completely for free, and with the exclusive bonus we've arranged for you through the link in the description, you'll get access to an extended free trial. This means you can experience all the time-saving features and convenience of Navan for yourself without any commitment. At the end of the day, managing personal travel alongside business travel is no longer a headache with the right tools. Navan streamlines the entire process, saving you time and helping you stay organized no matter how busy your travel schedule gets. So, don't miss out. Use the link below to get your exclusive extended trial and start making your travel management easier today.